How to share phone screen and control it remotely. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So this video will show you how to start a phone screen share to receive remote assistance from experts when facing issues. So, what you need to do is you'll need to download an application called TeamViewer Quick Support. You can go to your App Store and then on the search bar at the bottom, search for TeamViewer. And then you can download it. And now, once you install it, you'll get instant remote assistance from your device. You'll need to share the code that is shared on your screen, and then you need to send it to the person who's providing you remote assistance. And once you do that, your phone screen will be available to them. It will be shown on their phone, and they can use it and then solve the issues that you're facing. So that's it. That's how you share your screen from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.